Hello everyone, I'm Samuel, BQool's brand evangelist. In this episode, we'll be talking about how to set one of the 5 preset rules for rule-based rules to help you gain more profits and prevent price tanking. This is for people who have a limited budget and using just the rule-based repricing rules of BQool. This BQool rule is customized by different successful 7- and 8-figure full-time Amazon sellers. First, go to the Repricing Rules tab and click on Add New Rule. Then under Rule Type, select the Match Buy Box option. Next, under the Competitor setting, make sure you select the buy box price in the drop-down menu so your listing will be competing with the buy box price. When choosing the competitors, be sure to check the boxes so that you are competing with Amazon, non-featured FBA, and FBA. The reason why we wouldn't check the FBM box is because the FBM seller might have a lower price, and we do not want to lower our price to compete with them if we're selling using FBA. Next, you can select Toggle On for the following options. Exclude sellers with positive feedback rating lower than 80%. Exclude sellers' total feedback count lower than 1, and exclude sellers with backordered products. Hit Next. In the Get Buy Box section, where we'll see a custom rule to define how BQool reprices when you're not in the buy box. Leave the first section at default and scroll down to when buy box winners are found below min price and above max price. Choose min price. And when the buy box winner is not found, choose do not reprice. Now you can leave the rest of the settings as they are and click on Next. The schedule page is an underrated function in the repricer, so we highly recommend it if you're not using it already. Toggle on for the repeated schedule and set to pause repricing from 2 a.m. at your target time zone and set your new price, which equals to your price plus 10%. Set the time to enable repricing at 4 a.m. We also recommend having this repeated schedule every day from Monday to Sunday. Hit Next and you are done. Finally, under Rule Overview, you can see all the settings that we've just set and review them on the same page. All right, this is all you need to do to set up an effective rule-based rule to match the buy box. This has been working well for 7-figure and 8-figure sellers who shared this with us, and we have made it even easier for you to follow it step by step. For even better results, you can use our AI rules with machine learning, which will help you increase your prices even faster and get you more sales. For more information or questions, please contact support@BQool.com or visit our support site. And lastly, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube and podcast for more updates and useful content. We're BQool. We keep innovating to help you stay cool with your Amazon business.